Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the two most used Xiaomi Mi Band 3 and Mi Band 4. As you can see, we have the Xiaomi competition here. In the left we have the Mi Band 3, which we saw some of the videos that we did earlier in our channel. As you know, this is a fitness band. It has heart rate, sleep tracker, and other fitness stuff. We have OLED display without any color, but it's touchscreen. It has a step counter, heart rate, 20 days battery, 50 meters, swimming waterproof, and other options, as we can see in the next steps. In the right we have the Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 4, if you don't know, it has a 0.95 AMOLED display with 135 mAh battery, up to 20 days. It has a waterproof resistant up to 50 meters. It has other settings for fitness, for example count steps, distance, calorie burn, health monitoring, and the fitness options for different sports. So let's go ahead first with the Mi Band 3. As we can see in the first page, we have the time, date, and the Bluetooth sign. If we go down, we have steps, distance, burned calories, and battery. We have heart rate, connect to the app, treadmill, exercise, we have the notification. In more, we have stopwatch, silent, find device, screen, factory reset, and about. So you can see we don't have too many options, but pretty good for the Mi Band 3. Here we have the Mi Band 4. So we have a quite upgrade from the Mi Band 3. As we saw, we have full touchscreen as well in the Mi Band 4, but in this case we have the colors included. As you can see, in the Mi Band 4 we have time, percentage of battery, steps, date, and the Bluetooth logo in the top. Next we have status, heart rate, workout, weather, notification, and more. So if you go to workout, we have outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, and pool swimming. So just in workout we have more options than the Mi Band 3. Let's go to the more. We have D&D, alarm, music, step watch, timer, find device, silent, band display, and settings. As you can see, the Mi Band 4 does have more options, but they both work really good. They both are very popular. As you know, the Mi Band 3 just came out about a month ago or more, I don't know exactly, so it has to be a little more better, but the Mi Band 3 still is very great for our generation. we don't have any more what to talk, but now it's time for the testing. Let's test the heart rate, the fitness and other stuff, and let's compare them. Here we have the Mi Band 3 first. Let's go to the heart rate, press and hold to start. It gives you a little vibration to tell you that it's starting to measure. As you can see, the first result are here. It gives you a little vibration, and 88 is the final result. Here we have the treadmill, press and hold. As you can see, it vibrates 3 times to count down to tell you that now it's starting. The treadmill option for fitness is telling us the second, the heart rate, kilometers, minutes, steps, and the time that we started. As you can see, they work really good. So let's go ahead and test the Mi Band 4 and let's see the difference. Now we have the Mi Band 4 here, and let's go to the heart rate and let's wait for the result. As you can see, the first result just came in, and we will wait for the final result. As you can see, 73 with a little vibration. It tells you that the result is done. We have here now the workout option. Let's go to the outdoor running. As you can see, now it's counting down, and the seconds just started. We have the distance, the pace, heart rate, and the zone. So as you can see, it's working really good. Press and hold to deactivate it, and same with others. They all work the same. So let's go ahead and test the app. Let's see what we got from the app, and let's make the decision which one is better and which one works the best for you. So as we know, obviously they both are from the same company, Xiaomi, and they both use the same app. As we got here Mi Fit. So let's go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth, allow to pair with one of our devices. As you can see, now it's trying to connect, but while it's trying to connect, we can see the first page of Mi Fit app. We have status, walk, run, and cycle. Here we have the workout, burned calories, and how many steps we are close to reach our goal. We have the data for sleep, heart rate, weight, goal track with the statistic. And if we go to the friend, we don't have any friend added to this app yet. And this is the profile page. As you can see, we have the Mi Band 4. It's connected, the percentage of battery, the name. We can add more devices here. Here we have the name of our profile and the picture. In the more, we have set goals, friends, and behavior tagging. We have add account, help, feedback, smart analyze, and the settings. So in this profile page we can customize plenty of settings, especially the notification part, which you are going to see right now how it will come. Let's see, now it's connected. As you can see here in the screen, we have new tag from Messenger Facebook, but the Mi Band 4 accept notification from different apps. You just go to your profile, you can see all the apps that you allow to get notification from. Now let's go ahead and disconnect it. As you can see, now we have to unpair it to pair with the Mi Band 4. From Mi Band 4 to pair it with Mi Band 3. The unpairing takes a little minute, but we have to be patient. Let's go band. Let's keep the Mi Band 3. As you can see, it keep connecting with the Mi Band 4. But I think we have to shut down the Mi Band 4 to be able to connect it with the Mi Band 3. So let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. Oh, we can see here now it's trying to connect the Mi Band 3. So now it's paired. I didn't have to turn this off, so that's a good thing. I had less work to do. As you can see now, it's showing basically some instructions for the Mi Band 3, and now it's updating the firmware. So I'll be right back after the update is finished. Now as you can see, that update is finished and it's paired with the Mi Band 3. And we can see the notification in the Mi Band 3 comes in the same way. We have the message, the text, and the person who messaged to you right in the screen. So that's a very good thing for both of these smartwatches. So guys, this was all for this Xiaomi competition. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, comment down below so let us know to do more of these videos. Support our channel by subscribing, follow our Instagram channel, and we will see you in the next time.